Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS, has become a powerful ally for creators aiming to produce engaging and professional-looking tutorials. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just starting out, mastering OBS can elevate your instructional content and help you connect with your audience on a whole new level. Getting started with OBS is all about understanding its intuitive interface. The main dashboard is divided into key sections: scenes, sources, mixer, and controls. Scenes act as different layouts or stages for your tutorial. Think of them as separate slides in a presentation. For example, you might have a scene for full-screen screen capture, another that combines your webcam feed with your screen, and yet another for a break or summary slide. To set up your first scene, simply click the plus icon in the Scenes panel and give your scene a name. Next, move to the Sources panel. Here, you can add elements like display capture for your entire screen, window capture for a specific application, or video capture device to bring in your webcam. By combining and layering these sources, you can create dynamic tutorials that guide viewers through every step. Enhancing your tutorials is where OBS truly shines. Adding overlays, such as your channel logo, lower thirds, or helpful graphics, can reinforce your brand and keep viewers engaged. OBS allows you to import image files and position them anywhere on the screen. Transitions between scenes, like fades or cuts, make your tutorial flow smoothly and maintain a professional polish. Don't forget text overlays to display key points, instructions, or timestamps. These can be customized in style, size, and color to match your tutorial's theme. With a little creativity and practice, OBS opens up endless possibilities for producing high-quality tutorials. Experiment with layouts, transitions, and overlays to deliver content that's not only informative, but visually compelling and uniquely your own.